Alright, here it is all tightened up. Again, this is the prototype for the RepRap Lewis Z-axis. So, we'll take some notes after we demonstrate. So, it's definitely tightened up and does a much better job constraining. So, pretty happy about that. It's still some slight rotation issues, but that will be fixed when the lead screw gets in there. So the lead nut goes in like so. Let's see if we can get this in there. Yeah, it's a little bit I made the hole too big. So the lead nut goes in like that, and there'll be a coupler. So then these two little tabs you see down here, this guy and this guy, I'll start using this to point. So that guy and that guy are are for what is going to hold the XY axis, which I have built, and I will show in another video. So let's just start taking notes for improvements. Right now this is just what I'm calling a mock-up, so for actual printing version, I think it would be okay to leave these narrow Saris links. One thing I'd like to do is alternate them, so meaning I have a single tab here, right on the moving part, and then a double tab here. So I want to alternate these, so it'd be single, double. That way, I feel like it might, it would promote symmetry among the parts, so I could use the same general layout. First off, that's, lazy coding, but more so, it would provide, it might help eliminate some of this racking, I feel. I'm not really so sure about that. We'll see. Next, I want to add a lock underneath here for the Z-nut. So because it's going to be pulling down, so I could of course flip this part over, and then it would provide the flat part to pull down, but then when you drive it back up, the Z-nut would just fly out, which I don't want. So that's okay. There's going to be a donut-shaped, I'm calling it donut-shaped platform on here. So it's going to be a circle, and then this will be, these are the 4 mounting holes here. I'd like to maybe provide some provision for feet that I could attach, and angles here and here to support the whole thing. So that's going to be addition to that part. Change that code base around. What else? In general, I think it's okay right now. So, I'm gonna make the XY video.